Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back when I see a potential opportunity. All right, going to go for a put here at 19. Well, looking like I was maybe too slow on that one. Yeah, I'll cancel it out. All right, so a tad bit slow on that. I am looking to do options. If you're not sure what I mean when I say options, or maybe you're a little intimidated, don't be. Just put in the comment section guide or option guide, and I'll link you to free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through options, how they work, the terminologies, all of that. I approach them in a more simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more simplified ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, just comment below option guide or option class, and I will link you to it. All right, I will pause and keep an eye on things. Have an order at 27.50 here. My entry point was slightly off. Okay, going to go to 28.50 now. That blue line is what I wanted, and power of charts bounced right off of it. But I just had my option order slightly off where everything would align. So still interested very much so in this area. But we'll see if the price wants to potentially come back down there. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. All right, going to go for a put here at 25. Can put at 25. How am I not getting filled there? Well, that officially feels like a spot where if you do get filled, it's just going to steamroll you and put you underwater. If you scroll back, I'm sorry, I'm bringing up the on-screen annotator. But if you scroll back and look here, you'll see that it was 25 and it just 25 sat there because that was my order, but it was not filling me. And as you can see here, had I gotten filled, I'd now be underwater on it. Oh, that blue. Now, to be fair, it's not like I would have still been holding there, but that blue line would have been, I mean, a beautiful spot. All right, I will pause. All right, going to go for one here at 23.50. A put, that is. In there at 23.50. And out for a little $50 move. Very good. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 23.50 again. All right, well, it's what? Oh, I did get in. Okay. And out for another $50. I didn't think I'd get in. I was going to cancel and readjust up, but I did end up getting filled, so there we go. I am now interested at up around the 497 mark for another put. But a nice quick $50 there again. So I will go ahead. I hope I hit record, didn't I? I did hit record. Okay, I will pause. Have an order at 24.50. And it shot up there, almost got filled on a very quick move, but didn't quite get up to where I needed it to go. So I'm going to adjust now down to 23.50. We'll see if it can work its way up to there. I will pause. Have an order at 34.30 here, in at 34.30. And out for $70, relatively quick $70, very good. I will go ahead and potentially another trade here, but I will pause for now. Have an order at 38. Oh, it's so close. Not filled though, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out, as I'm going to try now down here at 46.20. So let's try at 35 now, throwing order out there. Actually, let's go to 34.50. And there we go, 34.50. And I will pause and I'll keep you updated. Okay, I have an order. Wow, 40. Got in at 41.70, out in 41.20 in just a few seconds. I believe I captured the entry point on video. That all happened. I know I got the exit out on video, but I'm not quite sure if I hit the record button soon enough, because it shot down there very, very fast. So I'm not sure if that was green or white. If it was white, that would have just meant that I had not been filled yet. But I know for sure that that lasted white for a few moments. Oh, I'm glad I did a sniper shot. Wow. Well, I got that. I mean, I got it right, but I thought it would have given at least some sort of bounce there. And it did bounce enough for me to get out, but I did not think that it would just blast through straight through there like that. Quite the move. All right, well, I'm not going to be interested in this one for a while, because in my chart analysis right now, essentially we're in no man's land right now. So at this point, it literally would be just a pure guess. Now, if there's some sort of candle formation that starts to form, then maybe. But as of now, not really interested until down around 494.20, which, as you can see here, that's over $1 away. But that's essentially, again, the no man's land. Let me bring over the 5-minute. So there's a 5-minute chart, and that, just kind of the middle of that gap up range right now. And this line doesn't serve any purpose, so. But all right, so I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 44.50 here for a put. I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 46.50 here. For a put. Really don't like how it's just all of a sudden paused. Yeah, see that quick move down? That was a bit of the top I was looking for. Slightly off, slightly off. I'm not going to say I'm completely done with it, but yeah, that was definitely the original move I was looking for, so I'm going to cancel that order out there and maybe give it another try. I'll pause. Have an order at 45.50 for a put. All right, I'm going to cancel that out. Just don't like the way it's, once again, just sitting right there. I'm going to go to 44 now instead. So we'll see if we can get a move up there. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 48.50. Right, I was right on the best bid. All right, at this point, I'm just going to throw out a Hail Mary at 44.50. Just try to play a break of that. Don't foresee myself getting filled there, but was just slightly off on that entry point. So yeah, a rough back half of the day here. We'll see if it wants to come up a bit more. I'm at 44.50, but I'll go ahead and pause. All right, and that's going to be game over for me. And came back for some late day trades, and as you saw, was oh so close, but close is not good enough in trading, and it is what it is. But still, all things considered, very happy with the day, and for the time input that I had, it breaks down to a very nice per hour rate. Probably right around, I don't know, slightly less than $100 an hour maybe today, because I'm up over 220 with commissions. Let's call it 210-ish. So yeah, for the time spent, because again, I'm not in front of my computer the entire day long. I'm out doing stuff, and I was out. It's warm out at this time of year in Michigan, so I was out shooting some baskets with my kids, throwing the football around. So yeah, it's not like I was sitting here the entire day long. And that's what's nice about trading, is you don't have to be locked in on your phone. You don't have to be sitting in front of your computer all day long to still make some quality money. At least for me, this is quality money for me when I have many other income streams coming in. This is just one of several. So thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And like I said, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link you to the free class. Take care. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.